Whatever size or style of home you live in, there's a Trane system that will meet your needs, exceed your expectations, and suit your budget. Whether you're just starting out in your first house, or you already live in the 2-story multi-bedroom home of your dreams, there's a Trane for you. There simply is no better option or greater value in heating and air conditioning systems. Because every Trane system is built with the same quality and backed by the same tradition of excellence and reliability that made Trane the system of choice for the St. Louis Arch and the Statue of Liberty. With a long-standing history of more than 100 years, Trane began a tradition of uncompromising quality and unparalleled value that makes it the most reliable brand today, delivering comfort, efficiency, and reliability for every home. So wherever you live and whatever the size of your house or your budget, there's a Trane that's just right for you. Every home deserves a Trane.